Today we will demystify what is generative AI with real-world examples and some use cases. Let's understand what is generative AI. So it is a smart technology that can create new things like text, pictures, music or videos from scratch. And it learns from tons of existing data and then imagines something new based on what it has learned, just like digital artist or a storyteller. Now, let us understand this further with some real-world examples and use cases. The first is making pictures and art. So as you can see in the image, you're using your creativity and you have imagined something to produce a cat astronaut. So you're unleashing your creativity with this imagination. This is creative art. Okay. So do give it a try by using tools like Adobe Firefly and Dell-E. Now another application is helping with videos. Generative AI tools, they can turn your simple text into animated clips or help with editing, colors or effects, which is fast and very cheap. The tools can be used like HeyGen, VDIO or Sora. Now the third application is creating voices and music. Now suppose AI can read your script aloud. You don't need a speaker. AI can compose music for you. So voiceover artists and musicians is another use case of generative AI. And you can do this through the tools like Suno, 11 Labs, Morphi, and so on. Now moving on to another application, it is in healthcare and sciences. Now generative AI helps doctor in helping draft patient notes. The researchers use AI to explore new drug molecules and imaging, so it saves a lot of time and effort. Another application is in writing codes, coding or debugging. Now, generative AI tools, they can generate code snippets from plain English descriptions, and developers, they use them to save their time. The tools that can be used for this is GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT Pro versions. Now, let's move on to another examples like in education. So, generative AI, they can act as personal tutor. They can help you get answers. They can ask questions. For example, Khan Migo, Khan Academy Tutor. In smart writing, here generative AI, they can read long documents or articles and can give you short summary. In designing products and clothes is another example. Here fashion brands, they can quickly see new dress design or virtual try-ons. This saves a huge amount of effort, energy and money. Another example is helping visually impaired users. Now the apps like Be My Eyes use AI to describe or identify what's in a photo instantly. Now, summing it up is why it really matters is because this is faster and this is giving you very cheap creation. Secondly, it is a personalized help and AI can tailor things for you. And lastly, it is becoming everywhere. AI is subtly powering tools in everyday life. We are using it without our own knowledge. So that's it for this video. And in the upcoming video, we will understand LLMs, difference between LLMs and generative AI. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.